Hey, what's going on, everybody? Prelude dude coming back with another video. Today I'm going to teach you on how to remove your steering wheel. Say, you know, if you got to swap it out, you got to put a new airbag in, or if you're going my route, put a racing steering wheel in, or any kind of aftermarket steering wheel. I'm showing you what to do. And first thing you'll want to do when you start off, get a 10mm, disconnect your battery. You know, that's on the Hondas. And in my case, I got cruise control and all that stuff. You're going to want to pop your plastic cover off your right side for your accel, resume, and set switch. And in there is going to be a torque screw. Looks like this guy. You're going to need a T30 for that. And you'll have one on each side. One there, and then one on the opposite side right over on the left side. And once you get that off, you'll be able to remove this. And that'll give you access to get in here to remove your center nut. Alright, once you get your steering wheel removed, or you can do it prior, remove your upper and lower cover to your steering column. And get that stuff out of the way so you can get the SRS removed. Also, once you get it all removed, you're able to put on your steering wheel hub. And me, I got a quick release also, so I'm gonna have to mount that onto here and get my steering wheel bolted up. I would recommend putting a little blue Loctite on these, 6 little Allen head screws, just for a little reassurance so they don't vibrate out from all the road vibration and stuff. At least that's what I'm doing. I didn't install the quick release. I'm going to wait. I want to get a better one, a ball bearing one. Instead of the little cheapo that came with this. This is RDT Motoring. So I don't know, we'll give her a whirl, see how she does. But yeah, the install is almost complete. After you guys get your screws in, don't go crazy on it when you tighten these down. Yeah, just go a little past snug. And when you tighten them, after you get them all ran down, do it in a cross pattern. Alright, steering wheel's on. Straight. Wheels are straight. Hook your battery cable back up. And make sure that everything works, turn signal and whatnot. Tools you're going to need is a 19mm deep well. That's for your center bolt. Horn don't work. Oh well, who needs a horn? I'll just trump throttle, right? Yeah, 19mm deep well. You need your T30 Torx bit with an extension, 3/8 drive, ratchet, screwdriver, and that should be it. So, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video.